Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Lavington, and by the way, we are actually doing this as per your request. A few months ago, we did a review of an apartment block along Atodo Road, and you guys liked it very much. But the problem is, the apartment block is sold out, so we are giving you an alternative. Today we are in Agwings Kodhek Road, exactly 5 minutes from Adams Arcade and exactly 5 minutes from the Lavington Mall. This apartment block will give you everything that you have ever dreamt of in a house. Let me have a seat and I'll give you the specs of each home in this apartment block. The studio apartment will have a print area of 50 square meters and the price will be 5.5 million. The one bedroom apartment will have a print area of 55 square meters and the price will be 6 million. We have two types of two-bedroom apartments. One has a print area of 90 square meters and the other one has a print area of 100 square meters. The prices will start from 8.5 for the small one and 9 million for the bigger one. Also, we have two types of three-bedroom apartments. We have a smaller one with a print area of 110 square meters and that one is going for 11 million. And then we have a bigger one like this one with a print area of 125 square meters. A house like this one will milk you 13 million Kenya shillings. So I'll give you a tour of this one. Later I'll show you the studio apartment and after it all, I'll show you the two-bedroom apartment. Let's get started. Right now, we are at the center of this three-bedroom. Here, we have the dining area of this unit. The kitchen is next to it, and this door will open to the dining area. The common washroom is here. These are the first two bedrooms, and the primary bedroom is on my far left. The kitchen is of a standard size, numerous upper and lower cabinets, and at the center here, we have the cooking stove, and above it, you have a heat extractor. Behind me, you have the sink area. This door will give you an access to the laundry area and the kitchen balcony. The space here has been reserved for your refrigerator, and as you can see, it can fit a big refrigerator like this one or a double door. But the developer forgot to remove the price tag. This thing is 123,000. How expensive are refrigerators? Next to me, you have the dining area of this home. I like it that the dining area is big enough to fit a 6-member family. But if you think it's small, you can always extend it. And do the same thing on the opposite side. Is that not beautiful? The living room is of a normal size. It is big enough to fit your standard couch and it comes with a massive window that also acts as the access to the balcony. On this side, the room gives you a very good space for all your portraits, and on the opposite side, this is where you will do your electronics. I like it that the sliding windows and the glass balcony adds to the aesthetic of this home. As we said earlier, this is the three-bedroom, and it comes with the first bedroom here and the second bedroom next to it. The only difference is that this one does not come en suite, so I'll just need to show you the second bedroom. But before we see the second one, let's see the primary bedroom. As the primary bedroom is on my far front, at the entrance here you have its bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a vanity setup, some extra storage for your toiletries, a WC, a very well done towel holder, and a shower cubicle. The primary bedroom is of a standard size, big enough to hold a queen size or a king size bed like this one, and it comes with its closet on this side. As you can see from there, the space is massive and you even have some spaces for your side drawers. The closet will be enough for a normal couple, and it comes with the spaces for the hangable clothes and extra spaces for the foldable clothes. Let's go and see the second bedroom. At the entrance of the second bedroom, you have its bathroom, and it adopts the same concept that we saw in the primary bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly smaller than the primary bedroom, though it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you saw in the primary bedroom. The closet is also slightly smaller and you still have a slightly smaller window. The only difference is that the face of this bedroom is slightly altered for your portrait. The closet adopts the similar concept that we saw in the primary bedroom. That's all for this bedroom. From here, I'm taking you to the studio apartment and you'll have a contrast of how the two spaces are. But before that, I'll show you the common washroom. The common washroom of this 3-bedroom home is just similar to the other bathrooms in both concept and design. It comes with a shower cubicle here that is not yet complete, a WC and a vanity setup. Let's go and see the studio apartment. A studio apartment is literally a 1-bedroom apartment that does not come with a separate kitchen. The demand of studio apartments in these localities is on the roof right now. For 5.5 million, I think whatever you are getting here is more than enough. The supply becomes uncontrollable because of the high demand of Airbnbs. The living area is big enough for seasonal stays. I like it that it comes with the floor-to-ceiling windows, and this will give you the best natural light. This is where you'll do your electronics, and on the other side, you'll have an access to your bedroom. The bedroom does not come with a window. It only shares this window that will send the light from the living room to the bedroom. But I like the whole connection. The bedroom is of a standard size, big enough to host a 6x6 bed like this one, and very sufficient for short-term stays. I don't know types of mattresses, but this one is written made in China. I think the local companies are underworking. On the opposite side, we have the closet of this bedroom, and it is standard, big enough for maybe 2 or 3 vacational clothes. The kitchenette of this studio is very well done, though it comes with one sink. So when you wash your utensils, where do you leave them? I like it that it comes with sockets here and there for your refrigerator or any other kitchen appliances that you may require. On the opposite side, you have an entrance to the washroom. And at the entrance, you have a vanity setup, and extra spaces for your toiletries, and a small mirror. The washroom is of a standard size with a WC and a shower cubicle behind me. That's all for this studio apartment. From here, I'll take you to the 2-bedroom apartment. The 2-bedroom apartment is adopting the same concept that we saw in the 3-bedroom apartments. From the entrance, you have the common washroom. This is the dining area of this home, and on my far left, you have the 1st bedroom. Next to it, you have the kitchen of this 2-bedroom, and behind me, you have the living room. Right now, the dining area is a 4-seater, but as you can see, this space will be big enough for a 6-seater or an 8-seater table set. The dining space is accompanied by this beautiful lighting, and as you can see, it's very well done, and I also like the recessed lights that comes with these homes. The new concept of the modern houses is adopting the open floor plan method, and as you can see from there, the dining area is opening to the living room, and also it opens to the kitchen on the other side. The living room is sizable for a normal family, and as you can see from there, this side acts as the focal point of this home. I like it that the living room opens to its balcony on this side, and from here you are getting the best views of Lavington locality. The beauty of this living room has been magnified by the very well done tiling, the good lighting systems, and the art on the walls. The living room gives you an access to the primary bedroom here, but before we see that, let's see the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen comes with this space for your refrigerator, and the space is already big enough for your double door. This kitchen is not the biggest, though it's very well done. The kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets as usual, and I like it that it comes with a 4-burner cooking stove. On this end, the kitchen comes with a double sink, and I like it that one part of the sink can be used as a dryer of the utensils. The kitchen comes with a tilting faucet, and this faucet gives you the best noise that I have ever heard. Just listen to it. Wow. Next to me, you have the laundry area of this 2-bedroom apartment. The laundry area is not the biggest, though the space is sufficient to fit your washer and dryer. If you do not like drying your clothes by a machine, you can always use the rooftop as the clotheslines area. Let's see the primary bedroom, and later we will see the first bedroom. The primary bedroom comes with a shower cubicle, a WC, a very good spaces for your towel holders, and next to me you have a vanity setup. The primary bedroom is not the biggest, though the space is sufficient for a 6x6 bed like this one, and I like it that it comes with a massive picture window that gives you maximum natural light. On the opposite side, you have the closet of this bedroom. The closet is of a standard size, and it comes with the spaces here for the hangable clothes, 2 drawers down there, and a similar space on this side. The first bedroom is here, and it also shares the common washroom. But before we see it, just have a look on the extra storage we have on the dining area. The first bedroom is slightly smaller than the primary bedroom that we just saw. It comes with the smallest window that I have seen in a while, but I like it that it's sufficient and big enough for a small family. On this other side, you have its closet, and that's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you have enjoyed. If you would like to see similar homes but slightly different, click the link up here. That's all for today, and we will see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.